So starting the test drive in the Tahoe High Country here, love the ride quality. You do get the magnetic ride control standard, which definitely helps keep the ride nice and smooth. The Tahoes ride pretty well anyways, but it's nice to have that added help in terms of keeping the ride quality nice and smooth. And I just came to a quick stop there at the red light. The auto stop immediately came on, and then as soon as I let my foot off the brake, it came back off. So I like how the auto stop feature in pretty much every vehicle has evolved over the years, and just not being so much of a nuisance. But I'm gonna give it a little pull here, getting on the interstate. Here we go. So it wasn't even close to flooring it, but pretty strong. And I like that this has a few miles on it, because I'm actually able to give it a little something, as opposed to getting in a vehicle that has 5 miles and I can't really push it. But again, adaptive cruise control is standard on the Tahoe High Country. And again, the magnetic ride control just makes this that much better to drive overall, but especially on the interstate, just keeping that nice, smooth, composed feel from the driver's seat. Now, in terms of the visibility, where you have the heads-up display, that kind of intrudes just a tad. I'd rather have that than not have it, but I love how you're sitting up higher and the hood is barely even visible, and it just, again, makes the visibility that good. Now, in terms of what you get for the money, it's almost $90,000. It is pretty loaded out, but again, it's $90,000, so it's certainly not cheap. I wouldn't necessarily even say it's a bargain, but it's about average compared to everything else. If you look at Ford, the Wagoneer, now I said in the walk around portion that the 6.2 has a record of, and again, this is just in my comments, of not having the best reliability. But here at Chevrolet Buick GMC of Murfreesboro, if you're worried about that, you do get a lifetime powertrain warranty on the engine, transmission, and transaxle. So that covers you there if you're worried about the 10-speed having issues, or if you're worried about the V8 having issues. Now, if you do want to get this vehicle from them, just click on that link down below and you can get more information about it. But if you're trying to find something closer to home, click on that second link, and it takes just a minute to fill out your information, and I'll make sure the local dealers are fighting to get you the best price on this or whatever new vehicle you might be interested in. But I think if you're looking to buy something like this anyway, you won't be disappointed. Love the screen. The space in here is great. The amenities are fantastic. You get blind spot monitors, adaptive cruise control, a nice thick steering wheel with heat, your heated cool front seats, your heated rear seat, and then just having that added capability with the 6.2 V8, the full 4-wheel drive system, so you get the 4-wheel low as well. And then with this one having the max trailering package, tow up to 8,000 pounds conventionally. Just very pleased with the vehicle overall. Again, if you're in the market for something like this, it has it all. And from a driving perspective, very comfortable and still pretty quick. again with the 6.2 V8, even in this heavier SUV. Now, with all that being said, this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2025 Chevy Tahoe High Country.